There we are. Good morning, everybody. So I just got back from the gym. It's actually really cool out today, which is very odd for Texas in the spring. Normally we're already in the mid 80s, pushing, feel like being around 90. But it feels absolutely wonderful today. And just got back from the gym, took a shower, drank my protein shake, had a boiled egg. Now I'm drinking my emergency. I don't know, it's kind of like a natural upper, I guess, every time. To me, every time I drink my vitamin C, it always like helps me. So behind me, I know it's kind of blurred out, but that's where the smaller garden is. And this over here is going to be the large garden. So it's looking lovely. And these are the 2 beds that I have accomplished so far. And as you can see, they are full, which is amazing. I had the husband grab some of the dirt with the tractor inside of the pen where our cow was. She's in the freezer now, so we have to redo the fencing and some of the H braces. They did not make it, so it's actually a good thing he was messing with that area over there anyway. So I had him grab some of that dirt because it's like perfect, you know, it's been sitting over there, it has manure in it, but it's not all manure, like it's all pretty well broken down, nice black dirt. So I had him dig up some of that and drop it in. I also had him roll the compost around, kind of stir it up with the bucket, and now that's sitting, and I had him put a little bit of that in here too. So this soil is like excellente. Already planted my hops in here. So I purchased 10 Cascade hops, and they arrived 5 days ago. So I really had to get my butt in gear to make these beds and get it filled to where I can take them out of the fridge and plant them. So I did 5 in this box and 5 in that box. And I am going to pound in some posts and get it ready to put a couple cattle panel trellises over it so my vines have somewhere to go. And this is going to be the entrance of my garden. So it's going to be pretty, and the goal is for it to be magical and just a lovely place to go, but also beneficial. They are 3 foot by 8 foot. So all of my hops are planted on this side, right over here. But what's nice about that is I have enough space here to plant companion plants along the outside of the box. So I gotta fill up this whole area with garden boxes and a cute little sitting area, and it's gonna be fantastic and useful. So I'm gonna go grab the pounder and I'm gonna start out with 4 T-posts. I need to measure the cattle panel because I got a feeling I'm gonna have to use 2 cattle panels for this because it is 8 feet. And I wanna say a cattle panel is like 4 or 5 feet, so I might have to like overlap them. But regardless, we have the materials, so I don't have to purchase it. It's just trying to find it. Okay, here are 4 posts from the back of the property. So for sure I'm gonna have 2 on each corner, but now I'm also thinking I should have 1 in the center to help, because I'm gonna have most likely 2 cattle panels. So I will have to grab 2 more T-posts, but for right now might as well get these guys in the ground. Now, when I put my cattle panel in here, I think I'm gonna try and have the teeth going towards the cattle panel, so it kind of like has somewhere to hook on and stay while I kind of finagle it into place, because I have a feeling I'm gonna have to finish this on my own. But that should work just fine. Should be good to go. Go right in here. Beauty. Okay, there's one. Number two, I'm also leaving enough space between where the T-post is and where my metal is here, like where the inside of the box is, because that is where the cattle panel's going. Hey, we're in here. We're in here. All right, two more. Here. All right. No, don't fall. You're not really going down. I don't know what's going on. It's like I'm hitting something. I'm starting to sweat too. Oh, we got it. We broke through. Oh, and here I am working out again, which is lovely. Oh yeah. I see what you're trying to do, buddy. Got it. Smells like somebody's burning something. Still burning. This sweatshirt's not gonna last very long. I was so comfy too. All right, I got my 4. Now, let's go find a cattle panel and drag its ass over here. I bet we can find one. Okay. And I know there's some back here, but there's also a few over here where the pen was, or is. There's just nothing in it right now. Hey. All right. Be free. Free to forage, free to do as you please. Yes, ma'am. So I think I'm gonna steal this one right here. Drag it over there. Ooh, baby. This is gonna be fun. I like to let them forage, but they poop all over my freaking, all my little areas. So it doesn't happen very often. So they're definitely gonna take advantage of it today. is the right size though, for sure. I guess. No, I'm too short. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Maybe if I take it into a U and then bring it in. That might work. Try that. I'll get this. I'm crazy. But am I? Alright. Okay, I feel like we're getting somewhere. Oh shit, oh shit. If I take this one and I mean I have it in my mind like this is gonna work, but I need these to be even first. So walk it in. We're about right there, right? Yeah. So if I squeeze, I don't know if I can do this. Holy moly. No, 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 no. That's in front. This one's not. Oh, I got it. Hold on. Got it. Got them both. So now I gotta like scoot it this way. Right? There's that. Start with one side. Oh God. This is what I want, like that. Okay. Now, I'm gonna have to restain that, but that's okay. I did this on my own. Ah. Okay. Wow, beautiful. Okay, set it in. Oh my gosh, I don't even think I need to do anything else. I think this is like I don't think it's going anywhere. Dee! Oh, hell yeah. I'm probably gonna need somebody else to help me pull this one in to get it in there. I honestly don't think I can do the other one without another person though. This second one I'm gonna need the husband. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for him because, or my sister-in-law. You can drag her butt over here. Thank y'all so much for watching me struggle, but I managed to get one cattle panel up for my trellis, and I just need a little bit of help with the other one. So stay tuned. I'll be back with a little bit of help and these will be done. But honestly, like, this is such a great beginning to this garden. It's gonna be so just magical, and I'm so excited to share it all with you guys. Thank y'all so much. Don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss anything.